Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome to Alex Builds. We're now going to have issue 16 of Build the Fast and the Furious Dodge Charger RT. Okay, so we're on a bit of a Fast and the Furious marathon at the minute. So we're doing the Dodge Charger. We're on issue 16. If you haven't already watched it, we've done issues 14 and 15 already this week. And today we're doing 16 and tomorrow we're doing issue 17. Okay, so let me show you the parts we get with issue 16. Okay, so have a look at all that. So this engine is getting even more detail on it. Look at all that in there. Looks like there's quite a lot to do in this one. So it doesn't look too difficult though, this one. So basically what we're doing, when I can get there, is we're going to make this part up first, which is like a distributor cap. So we're going to be making this up first. We're going to be putting all of these little injectors down into there. Then we can secure that down onto there and then onto the engine just like so. That can get connected onto there with an AP screw. Then we can make up this part, and that's like a cog or a pulley if you like. That's going to get put onto the front. Then we can put this plate onto the front of our engine, and then we can put our pulley system just there, just at the front. And then we're going to have the job of putting all these little blue cables on. So they're going from the injectors down on top of the cylinder heads just here. That's where these two are going, just like so. And then we're going to carry on with that. So going from the cylinder head just here to the back just there. And then round the opposite side we're going to do exactly the same. So by the time we should have all of them on there used, and we should have something that looks a little like that towards the end. Okay, so this one shouldn't be too difficult, this one. Just might take a little time putting all the little cables on and everything, but it will look spectacular when it's finished. So without further ado, let's get the parts open and start building. Okay, so the first parts it wants us to have is these here. So we're going to cut all of these off with a set of sprue cutters. So you can twist them off, I believe, but you want to get yourself a set of sprue cutters and cut these off. So one by one we're going to cut these off. And we don't want to go right the way up to the back like here. We want to come down a little just there. So that's round about where we're going with that. So we've got a little notch just on the end to put our pipe on. So we want to go ahead and do that with each and every one. So once you've done that, you should have a nice pile of them just like so. And I'm going to take each one of them, we're going to plug them into the top of here. So you want to make sure that there isn't like a nipple pointing out at the top of every one, just like so. So we're going to plug all of these in. It doesn't ask us to glue them, so I'm not going to glue them. So we're going all the way around. This could be fiddly. Number 3, 4, that one doesn't want to go in, so I'm going to come back to that one. Going in nice. 2 more to go. There we are. I'm going to push them down using the table to help me push them down. There we are. I should have something that looks a little like that once you're done. I do have 3 left over, so I'm going to keep these safe just in case we do need these again. I'm going to put these in a little one of these little bags that they supplied the screws in, just in case we do need them again. So now this part can be connected onto this part here. It is a push fit connection, so all you have to do is just push that onto there. Now bringing in this orangey part, this is going to go in this little notch just like so. And then we can secure that through the screw hole at the top with an AP screw. So let's get this AP screw in. There we go. Just like so. So you want something that looks a little like that. Now we need to make up the little pulley part. So these are going to be going on just like this. You want these sort of like that, creating a gap in the middle. And then these are going to get pushed onto the back here. So now you've got 2 gaps in there. This can get pushed on the front just here, and then through the back, another AP screw. Let's get this one all the way down. Now get that secured onto there, just like that. Have a look at that. This orange part is plastic, I believe. So now we can fit this and this one, which is metal, onto our actual engine part. So let's bring in our engine. So the first thing we want to do is fit this part here. So we want to go this way around, and it wants to line up there, and then we can put a CM screw for the 2 holes in these top parts, just here and here. So let's get the first one. I'm going to go at the top first. Like so, and one more down the bottom. Just there. Have a look at that, it's getting so big I need 2 hands to hold it now. So now we can take this part and we're going to fit this part onto the front here. So we're looking at these 2 peg points at the top, just above the plate we just put on. They're going in these 2 holes here. So let's get these on. One there and one down there. Sort of like that. Then again, 2 more CM screws through the front. Let's get the first one in. I'm going just down there. There we are. One in the opposite side now. This is the last screw of the issue anyway. There we are. Have a look at that. So now we need to be putting all these blue little cable pipey parts that go onto here and get pegged into these 4 holes on either side of here. Okay, so I've done my best to try and get these in some sort of order, but yeah, we're going from the littlest one first, so that's this one. You do want to grab yourself a cocktail stick. Basically what we're going to do is we're going to take this cocktail stick and we're going to widen each end of every single one of these pipes as we go. So this is the first one. So this is going, which one is this going in? This is going into the second one at the bottom just here. Oh, this one, just push that onto there. This is going into the first one here. So I might trim these down later, so that's why I'm not too bothered if I do get the right length one, as long as they reach all right. Now the second one, is going into this one. And then into the center, just like so. So continuing in order of size of these cables, we're going from smallest to largest. So let's go around here. This one obviously goes into the next one. So it looks like we're working clockwise on it here, just like so. And this one here. These are quite, when you do it with a cocktail stick, it does allow you to pull them back off if you put the wrong one on, so they make it a bit easier to come off. This one goes in the 4th one. That one's the wrong one. Now once you've got them all in the places you want to get them, we can glue these down. Something looks similar to that. So probably what I'm going to do is go trim these so they're a lot tighter. So now we need to do the opposite side. So I have gone ahead and put all the right side in. You just carry on going clockwise through. So this one, the first one on here goes to this, and you just follow it round. So you want obviously the longest ones to go to the back, shortest ones to the front again. So there you go, that is stage 16 all complete. So coming up tomorrow, we're going to have the final one of this week, which is stage 17. So if you like what you see in this video and you want to subscribe for yourself, you can head on over to fanhome.com. We'll put links in the description down below. You can pick this up for yourself from issue 1 and build along with me. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please remember to leave a like down below. And if you haven't already subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. I'll see you all next time. Take care.